Today we are going to see Pravekshika 1 revised syllabus, lesson number 6, Ling or Vachan. That means the gender and the usage. Okay, so question number 1, लिंग किसे कहते हैं? लिंग कितने प्रकार के हैं? That means what do you mean by ling and what are its types? Answer is शब्द के जिस रूप से पता चले कि वह शब्द पुरुष जाति के लिए या स्त्री जाति के लिए प्रयुक्त है उसे लिंग कहते हैं। हिंदी में लिंग के दो भेद हैं, पुल्लिंग और स्त्रीलिंग। Okay, so what writer says that when the word is described as a feminine gender or a masculine gender, and the words which you use, that is known as masculine and feminine respectively. And in Hindi we have two types of gender, पुल्लिंग and स्त्रीलिंग। वचन किसे कहते हैं? वचन कितने प्रकार के हैं? दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। सो लेट्स सी द आंसर्स। शब्द के जिस रूप से पता चले कि यह शब्द किसी एक के लिए या फिर अनेक के लिए प्रयुक्त हुआ है उसे वचन कहते हैं। दैट मीन्स द वर्ड which gives the sense of singular or a plural is known as वचन। वचन के दो प्रकार है, एक वचन, नंबर 2 बहुवचन। वचन has two types, singular and plural. For example, boy, boys, ladka, ladke. Okay, so that was the question of vachan. Then we have question number 3, हिंदी वचन परिवर्तन संबंधित नियम 3 का विवरण दीजिए। The question says that write the form changing rules and regulations, at least 3. Okay, so please write down the first one. Number 1, अ से अंत होने वाले पुल्लिंग शब्द बहुवचन में नहीं बदलता। That means the word which ends with a sound in masculine word doesn't becomes to plural form. That means घर, घर, house, हाथ, हाथ, hand, वृक्ष, वृक्ष, tree. Number 2, आ में अंत होने वाले शब्द बहुवचन में बदलता है। That means the word which ends with a sound changes to plural form as given below. माला, मालाएं, that means necklace or necklaces. सेना, सेनाएं, that means military or militarymen. यात्रा, यात्राएं, that means tour or tours. Okay, number 3, ई में अंत होने वाले स्त्रीलिंग बहुवचन में बदलता है। It says that the small e or the first e ending word in feminine sentence or the ladies related word will change to plural form as रीति, रीतियाँ, that means custom, customs. नीति, नीतियाँ, that means rules and rules. समिति, समितियाँ, that means committee or committees. So these were the three examples as per the question. So friends, this was for today grammar portion, and we have ended with vachan and bahuvachan, that means singular and plural. So let's meet from another chapter with another grammar, and next day, every day we are posting one video, so please check it out and subscribe it. Thank you. Take care. The question asked you only to write 3, but seeing it's a 5 marks question, I am asking and requesting you to write more than 3, so that will be justify your answer. अकारात स्त्रीलिंग शब्दों के अंत में अ के स्थान पर ए जोड़कर बहुवचन बना दिया जाता है. Okay, so the writer says that the first rule is in akarant. Akarant means the word which is end with a sound. In striling, that is feminine sentences, you add that word from a to a and make it plural form. For example, kalam, kalame, that means pen, pens. Pustak, pustake, that means book and books. Okay, so the rule number 2, आ अंत वाले पुल्लिंग शब्दों में आ के स्थान पर ए जोड़कर एक वचन से बहुवचन बना दिया जाता है. That means the word which end with a in masculine sentences, that means pulling, instead of a you add a and make it the plural form. For example, ladka, ladke, that means boy and boys. Bachcha, bachche, that means kid and kids. Ghoda, ghode, that means horse and horses. So these were the 2 rules. Let's move to the third rule. शब्दांत आ स्त्रीलिंग शब्दों के अंत में प्रयुक्त आ के स्थान ए जोड़कर एक वचन से बहुवचन बना दिया जाता है. That means in feminine sentences which ends with a, we use a instead of a and make it a plural form. But remember, this is only for a feminine word or striling. So examples are mata, mataएं, that means mom, mothers. Sabha, sabhaएं, that means coat, coat. Lata, lataएं. Kavita, kavitaएं, that means poem, poems. So these are the 3 examples they have asked, but let me take one more example, so that will help you to get 5 marks in total. Okay, so the 4th rule, ई या ई स्त्रीलिंग शब्दों के अंत में प्रयुक्त ई या ई के स्थान पर या जोड़कर एक वचन से बहुवचन बनाते हैं. That means the words in feminine sentences, that means a ladies related sentence or word, in e or e ending, change it to iya and make it a plural form. For example, tithi, tithiya, that means date, dates. Lipi, lipiya, that means write and writings. Gati, gatiya, that means speed and speeds or speeding. Okay, so like that, these are the 4 examples I have given you.